My dear friends, brothers and sisters in Pakistan, we need Imran Khan. Preferably, we need him back in power, talking in the name of Pakistan, fighting for you, for honesty in politics, for social justice, for development, and fighting for us, Muslims, fighting for the reputation of Islam, the honor of Islam, the honor of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, using his the beautiful way he talks, he argues in the international stage to represent us and to defend our interests, because there is no one else who can do that in a beautiful English the way Imran Khan did and does, and hopefully inshallah with your support in the next elections he will do again. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless Pakistan and the people of Pakistan and Imran Khan.